Alright guys, we got the Genghis X3M. We're doing a front mount intake install. Cheeks McGee's looking fucking jacked.
How's he take it off, bro?
Watching a little tutorial. We got the doodle mobiles this side. Hire us if you want to get your shit installed properly. What? You have 4 intakes?
One, two, three,
oh.
4. Look,
wait, are you rich?
W16?
Oh.
I might be a Bugatti.
This is how you know you're rich. 2 pipes,
Music,
6
bro.
cylinders.
Some Minecraft music. Downpipe
Alright guys, we just got that little piece off. I don't know if you, I don't even, oh yeah, it's right there. Like, that shows a pain in the ass. Where are they?
Back there.
Back there. Yeah, dude, that shows a pain in the ass. We have to move this out of the way and everything. Everything's hot as fuck, but we got it out.
Is that Jordan from Arcade Tunes?
Pipes are going on next.
Fuck Jordan.
Alright guys, so I forgot to record most of it because it was a hassle, but we finally got it on. Holy shit, that's so loud. Do a rev, so let me hear from the back. Dude, it sounds like it's sneezing, bro. Bro, the air intake's louder than the actual car.
Holy fuck.
That's crazy, bro.
I know, I turned off the valves for that, so you're just straight turbo.
Alright, JB, rate the install.
2-hour install, not too bad. 4 out of 10?
4 out of 10. Went better than expected. But we just finished it. Now we're gonna get some rollers.
We're doing like
we're gonna get some grub.
10 is the hardest.
10 is like absolute cancer. Like 10 is we wouldn't have been able to do
like
it.
A 5, yeah, 4 or 5 out of 10.
Yeah, it's a good
Really?
4 or 5.
I think it was like a 6.
Because of heat though.
6 or 7, yeah.
If it's a good 3 or 4 if we're in
actually,
a proper shop,
I'd say
dude.
5, 6, just because it was fucking 100 degrees.
Bro, and we only did it with like 2 screwdrivers, pliers, and a wrench. We didn't even have like any tools, bro. So low key, we did pretty good. Especially in this heat, bro. It's like 95 freaking degrees, dude. So we didn't do too bad. Oh yeah, dude, it sounds insane.
You gotta fucking put the seat back, probably.
It sounds naughty. Slow strippers.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Minecraft music.
Wait, let me put my seatbelt on.
Fuck your seatbelt.
Yo.
Should we go in real drive?
Yeah. Oh fuck, I want to be outside to record that.
It might hook with all 3 of us in the car.
No, I really need
You think?
Wait, 4-wheel drive
I need a seatbelt.
There we go. Wait, let's see.
Wait, dude, the seat is so far up.
Yeah, put it back. There we go.
Alright, Geek Bar, rear-wheel drive, front mount intakes, what could go wrong?
Let me do a video.
That shit won't even stay in place.
Alright, good.
You ready? Yeah.
Damn. Holy shit. Holy shit.
And I'll do like 3 drifts, 3 drifts.
Oh yeah. Smell my tires. It still won't hook with all of us in the car.
That's, dude, you can smell the fuck out of the tires.
Yeah. That's insane.
Dude, were you hitting 90 like every single time? Were you hitting 90 every single time?
Yeah.
Wow. sounds insane.
The fucking sneezing. Alright, let's drift it, guys.
Holy shit.
I got your cheeks.
Yeah. My turn.